It gives us great pleasure to welcome you. Thank you very much for visiting this video. This video contains display slides of magnetic particle testing products, leak detecting chemicals, and accessories for non-destructive testing manufactured by us. These slides will help you to give a quick look on various products manufactured by us. If you require any more information, you may visit our website or may contact us directly. Our contact details are provided at the end of this video. MPI products are primarily divided by dry or wet applications and also on use in daylight or blacklight. Some of the MPI products are supplied in convenient aerosol sprays, particularly for field application. Use of entity accessories help the operator to standardize the testing practices. Magnetic particle testing consumables are manufactured with great care to get desirable properties to get the best sensitivity. Brief information is given in further slides which will help you to select appropriate product to suit your requirement. These are magnetic powders for dry application. The powders are supplied in 4 bright colors such as black, grey, yellow and red. Magnetic powders for wet application are supplied as black or red powders to suspend them in water or oil. Suitable conditioning agents are blended in the powder to enhance application characteristics. Black and fluorescent products are also supplied in the form of concentrated magnetic ink for ease of use, particularly in the field application. White contrast and magnetic inks supplied in convenient aerosol packings are most used products for all methods of magnetization. These products are easy to carry on the field and at remote locations for testing and need no separate preparation. Fluorescent magnetic particle testing is most sensitive method for detection of surface cracks on ferromagnetic components. Use of black light enhances the defect indications and increases the sensitivity of the test. Residual magnetic field is sufficient to get best results. Carrier oil with specific characteristics are supplied in 5 or 20-liter packings for oil suspended MPI testing. Water conditioners are supplied to use magnetic powders with water for water suspended MPI testing. We manufacture leak detecting chemicals. Leak testing is extremely important for all types of pressure vessels, small and large tanks, pipelines, engine blocks, etc. Bubble solution is most common for air or gas leak. This is non-ionic solution and has halogen and sulfur content less than 25 ppm for safe use in nuclear components and other SS-based critical components. Leak detector DLC is unique liquid which changes color from colorless to red when it comes in contact with water or any other polar solvent. This property is used to test leak during hydro testing or even for pipelines carrying polar liquids. Fluorescent powder mix and viscous pastes help to detect leaks in very large tanks and engine boxes respectively and economically. We manufacture MPI equipments and accessories. Further slides give pictorial information in brief which can help you to glance through the products. Further information on each of these products can be obtained on direct contact or through website. AC/DC portable magnetic yoke and portable tabletop model for magnetic particle testing are used for all types of MPI applications. These are lightweight and operated on electricity on plug and use principle. AC/DC and HWDC current can be selected as per the requirement of application. These are blacklight units supplied with mercury bulb as well as with LED bulbs. UV intensity in both these units is much higher than specified in the relevant specifications. LED based unit is very light in weight and does not get heated even with long use. Gauss meters and residual field indicators are used for measurement of adequate magnetic field on the job, whereas other field indicators indicate the direction of the field and sensitivity of the test. These are shims used for establishing proper magnetic field on the job during wet MPI application. To be used on the job at different locations to confirm required magnetic field, its director and strength casts to get required sensitivity during testing. Thank you for visiting our product video. Please contact us for further information.